Hello fellow creators! Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the world of AI art. Are you tired of using the same old tools for your digital art? Then it's time to upgrade your artistic game with these amazing AI tools. Come see for yourself. First up, let's talk about Dolly E and Dolly E2, two AI-powered platforms that have taken the world by storm. Developed by OpenAI, these platforms use machine learning to generate stunning images from textual descriptions. With Dolly E and Dolly E2, you can create unique and cool imagery, from cartoonish animals to realistic landscapes. They understand and incorporate specific details and can even create images that combine multiple concepts. These tools will unlock your creativity and generate amazing artwork. Number 2. Next, let's move on to Midjourney, another great platform that requires you to sign up. You can also use their Discord server. But trust me, the artwork it produces is insanely good, and probably the best out there. Number 3. Stable Diffusion, which can be installed on your home computer. This platform offers a range of features that can help artists create high-quality images, including style transfer and super resolution. Stable Diffusion is ideal for artists who want a tool that is simple to use and produces high-quality results. You can try a demo over at huggingface.com to see if it's for you. Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Number 4. We have GFP Gone. This is a great tool to try. It has a nice AI face fixer, so I highly recommend you check it out. And if you're looking to cut anything out of your images, you can use remove.bg, an AI image extractor that cuts images for you. Although it may not always be perfect, it's still worth trying. Number 5. Now for the grand finale. We have a tool that has been around for decades, yet remains relevant to this day. Adobe Photoshop. The neural filters in Photoshop are improving, and your ability to edit and have freedom of movement while working on an AI image is insane. As you learn and get better at Photoshop, having that AI art base is a great thing to start with. You can take your images to the next level, upscale them, improve them, change the color, cut people out, extend them using the fill options, and so much more. In conclusion, AI tools are transforming the art world, and these top AI tools can help artists create and improve their art in exciting new ways. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting, there are tools available that can help you achieve your creative vision. That's it for our top tools for AI art. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to try these fantastic platforms yourself. Happy creating!